This program has a number of special and unique features to make it a program that is effective, relevant and fit for project delivery in the 21st century. First of all, it's tailored to engineering, construction and related engineering and project-based sectors, which means it's not generic and not sector neutral like most other courses on project complexity out there. Second of all, it stretches over a period of 9 to 12 months. Thirdly, a key part of the Leading Complex Projects program is dedicated to who you are and who you want to be as a project leader, and the development of certain specific leadership qualities that we know can make a difference to project outcomes.
So for this course, we're going to use a framework which was developed by a leading group of practitioners and academics. And the 5 topic areas that we're going to focus on are thinking holistically, exercising personal mastery, creating enabling conditions for project success, responding to the environment, and working collaboratively together. And we're going to have a series of workshops, self-directed learning, case studies, tools and techniques, which we're going to offer up for you. And all of these are highly practical or highly relevant to the engineering and construction industry. So they're not generic theoretical tools and ideas, and we have long enough on this course for you to be able to experiment a little with those on your own projects and bring that back to the group to share.
The programme is based on the GAPS framework for leading in complex projects. It's informed by research evidence on what differentiates effective leaders from ineffective leaders in large complex projects, and it'll give you the tools and frameworks for you to be in that successful group.
This kind of leadership development needs time. It needs time for reflection, it needs time for feedback, it needs time for application and experimentation with new approaches and strategies in the behavioral area. And we're also going to provide coaching to support this. So we believe the very nature of complexity and the challenges you're facing as a project manager in complex environments needs a different training approach. And development that is effective in this area is probably as complex as the project environment the training is aiming to address. We are going to deliver this program 100% online and virtually. This means maximum flexibility for you to fit study and coursework around work and family commitments. It also means that it will be easier for an international and therefore more diverse group of participants to join in the program. Our design blends a broad range of training and learning methodologies to achieve the desired outcomes.
So what is the programme about? It explores how complex projects are different from regular projects. It looks at the types of leadership skills, capabilities and behaviours that differentiate the effective from the less effective in those spaces. It also maps your own personality against those and sees how we can develop strategies, skills and capabilities to make you effective in those areas. It's research and evidence-based, and it'll help you and equip you before you step into significant complex projects as a leader.
What we'd like to do on this programme is to offer up a rationale for understanding how and why complexity can affect the outcomes on your projects, and what you can do as project leaders using some tools and techniques and some ideas that we will share with you and explore with you to secure better outcomes, successful outcomes. So meeting your schedule, making cost savings, being in the upper quartile of quality and safety. Complex projects need leadership rather than management. To benefit most from this course, you'll probably have a few years of project experience under your belt already and be willing to bring that experience and share that with us. We primarily, though, want you to be open and curious and interested to experiment a little with some of the tools, the techniques and ideas that we're going to offer up on this course.
My name is Gabrielle Burian and I'm Managing Partner of Kingsfield Academy. I've spent my entire career working in the international engineering and construction industry. Initially, I was working in contract management and the commercial area. In the last 20 years, I've retrained as a psychologist. I'm working as a coach, change consultant and learning and development professional.
Hi, I'm Andrew Jones, business psychologist and one of the senior consultants here at Kingsfield. My specialty areas are around leadership, around stakeholder alignment work. My interest is around where leadership meets personality and that intersects with complexity.
Hi, my name's Karen Cherrill. I'm a partner with Kingsfield Academy. I'm a chemical engineer, a chartered engineer, and I've spent over 30 years in the international oil and gas and power sectors, working on projects all over the world, initially for a major EPC contractor, and for the last 10 years with Kingsfield, where our primary goal is to avoid disputes really and help projects be successful.